Libra sign. Dangers, difficulties, and dilemmas is the picture for all men and women of Libra sign. Dissatisfaction from family, strain in relations with family members is inevitable during these times. You will also feel disinterested in participating in family functions. Investments can go for a toss since you are bound to make wrong finance decisions. Be aware while crossing roads or while walking on streets because this is a highly accidental prone period for you all. So just take good care of yourself. Jupiter Saturn in the 4th house from Libra ascendant will definitely make you busy in the matters of properties. If you are planning to buy your first home, then you will succeed in your plan. A brand new car is also on the cards for those who are planning to replace their old car with a new, or those who are planning to buy their first car. Restrictions at home is something that you must be experiencing from last few months. But with the arrival of Jupiter in your 4th house, now you will get some relief and you will be able to get out of the restrictions levied upon you at your home. You will stop repressing your emotions and start expressing yourself, which in turn will bring a great relief to your whole being. Because repression is suicide and expression is life. The coming 12 months, you will open up and let all that you had been suppressing within, you will start let it come out, and that will also bring a positive impact to your health, and you will start feeling much lighter and relaxed. Relations with mother can improve if you take the initiative. For those who are having strained relations with mother, this is the perfect time to patch up relations with your mother. This is also a great time for those who are planning to renovate their home and surroundings. For consultants and small businessmen and women, this is a great time to find new clients. Business will grow steadily, and after March 2020, you will see rise in demand. Overall, the coming year 2021 is a year of great transformation for all men and women of Libra sign, because the sudden shocks and certain unseen difficulties that you will have to go through will bring a new perspective to your life. You will mature, you will transform into a better person than you were. Be careful when using your credit cards, as there is a high possibility that you may get trapped in deep debt, which in turn will frustrate you and give you sleepless nights. On one hand, you will be tempted to use credit cards and take loans, while on the other hand, you will remain utter careless in managing your finances, and this can lead to certain difficult situations that you may not want to face. Also, pay attention to your teeth, because visits to the dentist will increase, and in rare cases, a dental implant surgery is also seen. So, take care of your teeth. Use a good toothpaste. For lovers, relationships will be a challenge. You will have to manage your relationship, else breakup is possible. So when you love, be careful to not to hurt your partner, but rather become more understanding. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. True love is born from understanding, says the Buddha. Maintain a good relationship. Men and women of Libra ascendant must become more understanding. Patience is when you are supposed to be mad at your partner, but you choose to be understanding. To understand everything is to forgive everything. Only when you are understanding, only when your understanding has matured, that you will be able to let go, to forgive. And so, even though the year for Libra men and women is not going to be great, still you can make it great if you work on scaling the level of your understanding. It is only through the difficult situations that we learn, we grow only if we stay positive. Stay positive. That is the message for all men and women of Libra sign.